All right. So here go the 2023 ZX64 KRT edition. That thing nice. Mean green machine. So I'll tell you about the mods that I got. I got this M4 exhaust. My boy Tom, he got that installed for me. That thing sounds amazing. I'll make sure I crank it up for you. But I got these tech spec grips, tank grips. I got these off of I think I probably got them off of eBay. It come with two other grips that goes right here, but I don't want to put them up and cover up that pattern, so probably not going to use them right there. I installed these ASV clutch and brake levers last night myself. And I'll tell you one thing, man, these shorties, these things are smooth. Like, today was the first time that I used them. They were definitely smooth. The brake lever was easier to use, to install. I did both of them myself, so yeah, thing's nice. I installed this windshield. Had to put that dark one on there. Oh, and the main thing, the fender eliminator. I got the fender eliminator kit from TST. I bought the bundle. It was like 10% off. It got the smoked out integrated lights. I'll show you how they work. So you can see how they strobe. And when I apply the brake, the actual brake is like a pulse, and then it'll pulse like and then stop. So I had to show you that another time. But so yeah, 2023. Like I said, I got it with 0 miles on it. Looks like I got 468 on there. I'm still riding in low power mode. But yeah, I got my quad lock. Bought a lock off of Amazon. It's not the actual quad lock brand. It's a two-seater, but this is the actual quad lock ball joint. Got it centered to the right, so when I put my phone on there, it's not in the way. But yeah, this is my baby, my first bike. What the hell is this hanging? Is that supposed to be like that? What's this? Some water? Some leakage? I have to see what that's all about. But yeah, this is my baby.